Hello, everybody. This is Andrew with Fixology, and I know it has been quite some time, and I do really apologize for that. A lot of things been going on, so things at work. Gonna be an uncle soon, so I've been helping out my brother and his wife or my sister-in-law. Just been doing a lot of family stuff and business stuff, but hopefully everything's finally on the way up. We're fully staffed at work. They're about to have their kid, hopefully in a few weeks, so that will all be gone. And then hopefully I can go on a more regular schedule. So I know it's been months since my last one, and I really do apologize. So today we're just going to do a real quick nitty gritty one. I have a Pokemon Crystal edition here, which was honestly probably one of my more fun ones. I played Silver and Gold like crazy. Crystal I really enjoyed, but at that point I already went through, Gold and Silver so much. Or sorry, Ruby and Sapphire. Right? No. Which one is this? This is Gen 3. So, yeah, it would have been Ruby and Sapphire. I played those. So, no, not Ruby, Sapphire. Which one am I missing out on? Was it Gold, Silver, Crystal, right? Honestly, I can't remember, but I remember playing the other games in this one, and I played a lot of them, but when I got this one, at that point, I had played the other two so damn much. Kind of just like replaying the game. So, it needs a battery. This is from a local establishment in the area that I have good ties with. He said he needed this done real quick, and I was like, yeah, I'll go take care of it. So this is going to be real nitty-gritty. So I'm going to grab my iFixit kit, which the iFixit kits are very good because they have a lot of the weird connectors that most people don't have. This is like a G3 point something. Let's see here. So it's a G3.8 should be the screw in the back, which it is. And normally there's one screw that hold them together. And then we're just going to open this guy ever so easily. There we go. Then we're going to pop her out. And it looks like, yeah. And then what we're going to do real quick is I already tested the new one, which is right here. We are just going to quickly double check the old one. Guy went to buy it from him, and it turns out the battery was bad. So I'm guessing the timing was all messed up on it. Ooh, yeah, we got a less than a volt. Yeah, that battery is toast. All right, so real easy today. We're just going to remove this guy and put a new one on. So I got my solder iron here, my little micro portable one, and I got gunk under my nail. It's bothering the shit out of me. Going to heat her up to 450 Celsius. And then I got a wick here, which first needs to be cut. There we go. And that'll go in the garbage. And we're going to put some flux on here to help everything flow. And then rip this off, put the new one on. So it'll be a nice, simple repair today, which would be nice because I've been working on a PlayStation and an NES, my own NES, because I've been having issues with games launching, and it's just been kicking my ass recently. Oops, don't let it. Hot and pull it off real quick. Come on. Get off. There we go. And we're going to do the same over here. Yeah, I forgot to set up my extractor. Oops, let go of the solder iron. That's my bad. There we go. And then we're just going to do a quick pass over the top with you, just to get some of the old stuff out. I should probably be using a bigger tip for this, but this works just fine. There we go. And then make sure we have it orientated the same way, which this one was negative side up. And then we're just going to go like this, line them up, and put solder on it. Normally you should use regular soldering solder. I unfortunately have the low heat one, so I think this melts at like 350 compared to 850. I don't know where my regular solder went. I moved into the house about a year ago, and I'm still not finding everything. I probably just did a bad job putting everything away or like moving it. So it's obviously all my fault. Nobody else moved in with me, so. But it'll still do the job. It's on a Nintendo cartridge, so I'm not too worried about overheating. We're just going to put a nice liberal amount on here. Cool it off. And do the same thing over here. Just a good amount. Spread it around. There we go, nice and clean. Clean off the tip of you. And I had some alcohol for cleaning. Nope, you're empty. Huh. Okay, I guess I'll just do it straight out of the bottle. Ugh. Okay. Pat it dry. There we go. New one on, nice and easy. I'm just going to double check the connectors for them, make sure those are nice and clean. It's got a little bit of bubbling, but nothing bad. It's got a little bit of buildup on one of the prongs here on this guy right there. So do him a favor and clean off the tips real quick. And you know what? I'm going to hit that with my rust pen. It sounds like I'm walking around like an elephant because I'm still wearing my work boots. So we're going to hit it with this real quick on this guy on this side. Just work my way down, get them nice and clean. And just a couple swipes with the magic eraser. I would do the deoxide thing if I had any, but unfortunately I am all out. So can't do much about that. There we go. That looks much better. Okay, and then we're going to quickly double check the voltage. Make sure it just didn't suddenly die on us. I have it backwards, but it's 3.3. So there you go. And that looks pretty darn good to me. So I'm going to put it together real quick. So you go, oops, no. You go here. And you will slide back up in there. I'll put the screw back in. And then the last test is I'm going to put it in my Game Boy SP just to make sure everything is good to go again. Which you should be charged, my friend, right? Yep. Okay. I think it's time to give my SP a little bit of a clean out. Oh, and there we go. Perfect. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for playing that game briefly, the song in it. But we're good. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this nice, quick, itty-bitty one. I'm hoping to do another couple videos very, very soon. Just doing a couple things again. I'm still trying to get settled. I know it's been a year, but hell, there are people that take even longer than me to get settled into a house. So, But yeah, I am doing well. So if you are asking, thank you. If you're not, I told you anyways. And I hope you guys are doing okay. More videos to come. I'm just really trying to better myself at work or find a new job, which has just been a giant pain in the ass. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Later.